Second Minister for Home Affairs Josephine Teo says laws are needed for regulators around the world to keep up with novel ways of gambling. These include traditional slot machines that resemble skill-based computer games and computer games which offer paid mystery in-game prizes.
Such new products across various modes of gambling or gaming will certainly require us to put on our thinking hats and probably take a look at the new laws that we need to put in place to regulate. Regulators and law enforcement agencies will need to keep up to date with the developments and make sure our policies and rules remain effective.
She also said the government is working closely with gambling operators to carry out measures that help punters make informed decisions. Regulators will also learn from other countries how to address money laundering and terrorism financing.